20 when y is 0, x is 4, and when x is 0, y is 5. So hello, we have a fun puzzle today. We need to find the biggest possible value of x plus 3y, but we can only pick x and y values that follow some rules. Let's see what those rules are. Here are our rules. The x and y we pick must make all 4 of these true at the same time. The last 2 rules tell us x and y cannot be less than 0, so we stay in the top right part of the graph. Let's find the important points. For the line 5x plus 4y equals 20, when y is 0, x is 4, and when x is 0, y is 5. So this line goes through the points 4, 0 and 0, 5. Now for the other line, 2x plus 5y equals 30. When y is 0, x is 15. When x is 0, y is 6. This line is farther away from 0. Let's see if the two lines cross inside our allowed area. We take away one equation from the other. We get y is about 6.47 and x is about negative 118. Oh no, x is less than 0. Since x is negative, this crossing point is outside our allowed area. We can't use it. That means the first rule, 2x plus 5y is less than or equal to 30, is not really needed here. The second rule is the tighter one. So our allowed area is a triangle with 3 corners. The first corner is at 0, 0. The second is at 4, 0. The third is at 0, 5. These are the only points we need to check. Now let's put each corner point into our goal, x plus 3y, and see which gives the biggest number. At 0, 0, we get 0 plus 0, which is just 0. At the point 4, 0, we get 4 plus 3 times 0, which is 4. That's bigger than 0, but let's check the last corner too. At the point 0, 5, we get 0 plus 3 times 5, which is 15. That is the biggest number so far. Let's put it all in a little table, 0, 4 and 15. We can clearly see that 15 is the biggest of all three. The winner is the point 0, 5. We did it! The biggest value of x plus 3y is 15, and it happens at the point 0, 5. That means x equals 0 and y equals 5 is our best pick. Great job!